Tonight we're going to unbox and put through the paces this Drillmaster 2 horsepower fixed base router. It's your Harbor Freight router. At first blush, it's not horrible. The cord is super stiff, but that's pretty common with this cheap tools, vinyl cords. It also wouldn't be as big a deal if it was warmer out here. Switch is located on top. Nice and firm. It's adjusted with this clamp base here. And you twist the router assembly, I guess. This ring is supposed to allow you to get precise depth measurements. So there's an 1/8 down, right? An 1/8 up. But you're going to have to hold the ring because she'll twist on her own. That's okay. There's a sharp burr right here on the case. I don't like that. I might take that off with a file before we start. What we're going to do today with it is we're going to push it probably far beyond its means. We're going to be running that thing an inch, 1/2 inch by 2 planer bit, and I want to plane this surface down. So we'll all get a chance to see how she's going to do. Comes with spare brushes, as if these tools last long enough to need them, and a adjustable slide. I got the rods down in there, and it comes with this. They even label it router bits, because you might forget. 1/2 inch. That's dipped. It's that wax rubber dip, so a 1/2 inch straight cut bit. 2 wrenches. One for the shaft, one for the collet. I'm supposed to be doing this. I'm supposed to be doing this from the other side. I'll make sure that monster's well snug down in there. Yeah, you probably shouldn't have to do that on a router, but you do get what you pay for. So we're going to put her through our paces here, and I'll let you know what I think.
Beep. So the router's warm, but I mean, come on, doing what I'm doing with it, I would expect it to be warm. You can tell that it cuts. There's no slop in the bearings because of the bit this wide. I'd see swirls on my return as I pull it backwards. You can see a few of them right there, but that's from the sled. They're a pretty crappy sled. So if it was in the router, we would see that in every return pass, and we don't see that at all. I guess that their 2-horse rating is a touch generous. But it's definitely working. I need to come in here with a file and clean up these edges more. They're not very pleasant on your hands. I would say it would never be a production shop router. But it's more than doing what I'm asking it to do right here. So I can't fault it for that. I think we want to split this in the middle. Flip the pieces around and make it a river table. That's the goal. You know, one of those ones with $1,000 of epoxy in it that you can sell for $300. Oh, I kid. Sorta.